What's up, everybody? Diana here from My Millionaire Quest. Today I'm going to share with you 5 free apps that can give you $5 today just for signing up. Why? Because we all can use a little extra money, you know? I mean, are you really going to turn down $25? Really? Come on now. So, the first app that I'm going to share with you that's going to give you $5 just for signing up is the Cash App. And this Cash App is just a peer-to-peer transfer money site, basically, app, whatever you want to call it. It's basically all it does. It's kind of like Venmo, Zelle, whatever you want to call it, PayPal, I guess. And basically what you do is you sign up, you connect your checking account to the app, and once you sign up, just for signing up, you get a $5 bonus. I'm going to share the link in the description, so get yourself your $5. Go ahead and buy yourself a Happy Meal, I guess. You're welcome. Just kidding. Put that towards your next Facebook ad, next Bing ad campaign, whatever you want to do, your Google AdWords campaign, your Instagram campaign, whatever you want to do, just there's $5 and they're on me, and you're welcome. The second app that you're going to get $5 from for free, you're welcome, is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is just a cost per action kind of website, kind of app, if you will. You fill out surveys, you watch videos, you play games, and you do offers, and then in exchange they give you Swagbucks, which you get to exchange for real money, and you get to use that money, you get to cash out in the form of gift cards for Amazon, Best Buy, all that good stuff. Once again, I'm going to provide the link in the description. Get yourself your $5. You're welcome. Number 3 is Inbox Dollars. Now, if you if you read the blog, then you know I recently reviewed Inbox Dollars, and Inbox Dollars is the same as Swagbucks. You fill out surveys, you complete offers for like Gamefly and stuff like that. You sign up for Lyft, and you get bonuses, and you get $5 to get started from me to you. You're welcome, honey boo boo. And yeah, it's the same thing. Link in the description. You're welcome. Number 4 is the Acorns app. The Acorns app is investing at a smaller scale, and it's a really cool app because a lot of people, they're like, oh, I don't have money to invest in the stock market. I'm not experienced with the stock market. I don't have $1,000 to get started. Okay, well, the thing about the Acorns app is that you just need $5 to get started, which I'm going to give you. You're welcome. Ba-bam, ba-bam. So you got $5 to get started, and their main focus is you get to invest. You get to start investing using their what's it called? Their rollover. What's it called again? Crap, I don't remember. But it's basically what they do is they invest your spare change. So let's say you go to Dunkin' Donuts and you get yourself a $2.50 latte. What they're going to do is that 50 cents that would have rounded up to make $3, they're going to invest it in your portfolio, and then eventually invest it into some stocks. So yeah, you can start investing without even knowing it, you know. And last but not least, the 5th app that I'm going to get you $5 for right now is the one and only Stash app. Not to get confused with the Cash app. The Stash app is like Acorns app. It's for investing for beginners. It's actually a really cool app. It's the one I'm focusing right now as far as my investing goes. Like, I put money aside in my savings account, but the Stash app is the one I'm using to actually grow my portfolio. And it's actually pretty cool because you get to invest into different portfolios based on your interests. So there's one where it's like based on the environment, it's like environmentally friendly, and those are the only stocks you'll invest in. There's one where it's like you invest what Warren Buffett invests in. There's one that's like focused on new tech gadgets and stuff like that. So it's a pretty cool app. Check it out, guys. Like I said, free $5 on me. Bam, bam, bam. You're welcome. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. And as a bonus, there's another app I use, and this one is kind of like, it's just a savings app where basically the algorithm of the app, it calculates how much you spend, how much goes towards your bills, and how much you actually can afford to save, and it little by little starts saving it into your account. So just last week I saved $22 in 7 days, and I know it doesn't sound like much, but it was like one day it saved $7, the next day it saved like $1, the next day it saved like $2.83, and so on and so forth. So like, it'll take money away little by little and you won't even realize it, and it starts adding up really, really quickly, and without you having to worry about, you know, auto payments or auto withdrawals from your regular checking account. And like I said, it's $5, so in total I'm giving you $30 just for signing up for these 6 free apps, guys, because I want you to get closer to your millionaire quest. Now, by any means, these apps are not going to be your guide to your millionaire quest. They're not going to aid you whatsoever. You're not going to quit your job because of these 6 apps, these 5, 6 apps, but they are going to help you with, you know, a little extra change. You know, the little extra change doesn't hurt, honestly. But I will say this, Stash and Acorns are really good for investing, and Digit is really good for saving. The other 3 are a little more on the other side. But like I said, that's it for today, guys. I hope you got some value from this video. I hope you got that. Click the link in the description. Start downloading those apps right now. Get yourself your $30 on me, and I will see you in the next one. Later.